women's volleyball match between UP and UE. And for those who just joined us, this is the second set. UP winning the first set, and now they find themselves ahead. Christina 11. Joining me is Anne Remulla, and I'm Naringo. So obviously, and you know, UE, they haven't yet recovered from what the errors they've been committing in that first set.
And even with that last serve here from UP, misreading that serve from Se, you know, UE is just having a difficult time. Looking at them, you'll see also within the body language, you know, parang not very aggressive. You'll see that they're a bit unsure also of their movements inside the court.
That's right. I think that's more of a mental problem for this UE squad. Oh, another error for UE.
Coach Boy also clarifying something with our officials, with the referees rather.
But the call stays and the point still UP 8 serving 11. Good serve. Bonon. Oh, good cover there by Tew. Free ball for UE.
Net violation on UP. These are points that UE, of course, would gladly take. And what they need is more consistency on their end as Nebrida goes at the service line. We've seen a lot of service errors here in the second set.
Well, there, this is a good serve by Nebrida. Nanansala. And another hitting error. This time by Bulan. Sarina Bulan. She couldn't, you know, again, their approach, the sets, I get, okay, let's start from defense. Defense is far, so the set was far. And the approach, they can never get so far the right approach to execute a better spike. Well, timeout now called by UE. Let's listen in on coach.
Tayo mananalo. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi ayaw nyo maglaro eh. Diba? Ayaw nyo maglaro, ayaw nyo magtrabaho. Paano tayo mananalo? Nakita mo, nakasagad na sa'yo yung dalawang blocker mo rito. Pilit mo pa pinalusot yung bola. Pwede naman dito, check ball na lang eh. Naintindihan? Wala, nagkakagulo tayo eh. Pati ikaw, Bishop, sinabi ko sa'yo, pag set mo ng bola, relax lang muna. Relax, hindi. Ayaw mo mag-relax. Kaya nabungin ako. Wala kang control sa bola. Binato mo lang yung bola. Nilagpasan mo yung antena. Trabaho kasi tayo. Hindi mo pwede ganyang klaseng score lang sa atin. Nakakaya na tayo yan. Trabaho! Go!
Well, you really know that Coach Boy is getting frustrated because obviously they're not playing their game. Coach is saying, ayaw niya maglaro.
Let's see if that timeout wakes up the Lady Warriors.
Well, that didn't go over. So another hitting error for UE.
Well, for Bonon at this point in time, with UP having this, you know, big lead, what you need is to give the sets to a high percentage attackers. What you need is to score the points, you know, slowly but surely, just take it 1 point at a time.
That's right. Like earlier in the huddle, we heard Coach Jarrell telling his players, okay, you know, if pangit yung first ball, just give it dulo-dulo, which is what you're saying, you know, the higher percentage attacks. Well, here's one of them.
Exactly what they need.
That was Bulan, Sarina Bulan. We can see finally that was a good reception, a good set. So UE getting that point. The problem with UE right now is they have to learn from that. How did they do that? How did they come up with that point? We gave a service error.
And these things, ayan si Coach Boy, parang also getting frustrated already. Kasi yun yung sinasabi na, at the service line, you're in full control. It's not like your opponent actually forced you to commit that error. So yun yung sayang na points.
And there's so many options, di ba? I mean, tayo as players, there is such a thing as sure ball. You know,
Yes.
papasok lang natin.
Of course, but nowadays, of course, all the coaches would like yung service pa lang to be an offense already.
Yes,
What they
yes.
want is really a hard serve. But if you're unsure, you know that instead of committing that error, pwede mo naman nga siyang i-sure serve. But something that we have yet to see here from the Lady Warriors.
And there you go. That's another example. I think UE, you know, going to the third set because again UP faced with a set point 24 serving 13 over there. You know, they should forget about the first two sets because obviously you're saying they're playing very tentative so far, no, in the first two sets. You have to forget about that.
Ong goes long.
But Ong, you know what I like about Ong? You can see her attitude. She really tries to go for it. Although she's yet to be consistent. She gets decent attack kills, but she has her errors. But if she will be able to maintain that, she will be a good addition for coach.
Mundo and Se ends the second set with a good play.
Well, things looking good for Coach Gerald Dubalde and the rest of the UP Lady Maroons. They find themselves ahead here. Two sets, 25-18 and 25-15. Don't go away. We'll check out the third set when we come back.